Hi, my name is Francis and I'm the head of telecom at Gaia. Today, I'd like to show you our brand new MDU module. It allows ISPs that operate in a multi-dwelling unit environment, apartment buildings, to streamline their operations, billing, and to offer the best onboarding experience to their end users. I'd like to show you three things today: our white label checkout, our white label customer portal, and where the real magic happens, the back end of Gaia. Let's get started with our white label checkout. But before all of that, you need to understand that the MDU module as a whole supports two types of property: retail and bulk. Retail property means that you, the ISP, directly bills the end user for their services. Bulk means that you, the ISP, bills the building owner or the real estate investment trust for their services, meaning that the end user doesn't directly pay you. Usually their services is included in their tenancy. Let's start with a scenario of a retail property. In the scenario, we're going to see the onboarding experience of an end user subscribing to a property that's tagged as retail. Everything starts on your website, where you would put a link that would redirect the traffic of your clients to the Gaia ordering system. The first step is to qualify the address. So let me put the address of the apartment building, the unit number, and then Gaia queried the product catalog to show only plans that are available at the Silver Lakes community. I'm going to choose the 100 meg plan right here. Know that we give the ability to our ISPs to sell value-added services like TV or phone. If you offer TV or phone and you would like this order system to capture your client's channel selection, or to offer an easy way to fill the local number portability form, please take a demo with us and we'll tailor a demo right for you to showcase the two modules that Gaia offer for TV and phone. But for now, let's skip that part and continue only with internet. Know that at any point in time, you can click on order summary right here, and you can see a little pane with the services you've selected, an estimation of tax, and also if there's initial fees. Everything would appear right here. Let me put an email address to continue. We give the abilities to our ISPs to do whatever they want with the CPE, the customer premises equipment. In the case of this demo, the router. The customer, in the case of this demo, can provide their own router, and we have systems to capture the MAC address or the serial number. You can also rent a router for free or with a fee, depending on what you'd prefer. In the sake of this demo, I'm going to go with a router rental at $10 a month. Then I select my preferred installation date. I provide the CRM information, so first name, last name, and phone number. I add my payment method. At Gaia, we support a lot of payment processors like IPPay, GoCardless, Stripe, and more. And we are integrated in a fashion that we never see the credit card number going through our systems. There you go. Those were the steps to complete an activation. This is the review your order, so I'll review that everything's fine, and I simply click on place your order. And there you go. In a couple minutes, I was able to onboard myself into an ISP. And here I can select my password for the customer portal. I get a verification code by email. And only in a few minutes, I was able to subscribe to an ISP and get my customer portal up and running. I'd like to show you our white label customer portal now. When it comes to the checkout that we just saw a couple minutes ago, and the customer portal, you put the colors you want, the splash screen you want, and you can put your logo. It's fully white label. I can log in with my email. I put my password. I can put, you, the ISP, can put a little welcome message, and this is the customer portal. In the customer portal, you can manage your billing information, your payment information, you can change your services, and you can also, if you are working with bring your own router fashion, input the serial number or the MAC address of the router, CPE, or whatever customer premises equipment you're using. I'd like to show you another scenario, bulk property. This scenario is a bit different because you don't need to capture as much information because you will not directly charge the customer. So a nice way to do it would be to put a little placard in every apartment with a QR code. When you scan the QR code, you're redirected to the order system of Gaia, where you can activate your account, but where you can also upgrade your account. This is like a hybrid way of doing things where you supply, you have an agreement with the real estate investment trust or the property owner to supply everyone with 100 megs. But if someone wants to have a value added service or to upgrade, they can directly pay you. So let's say I'd like to have a gigabit. Well, you charge the property owner for the basic 100 meg, and then you can charge directly the end user for the 1 gigabit service. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to take a demo with us, and we'll showcase even more of the ordering portal. Now, I would like to show you the back end of Gaia where the real magic happens.